Looks interesting. So this is the Speedrunner high-speed racing vehicle that I got sent by RC Moment. I've never actually played with a radio control car before, or a proper one at least. First impressions, it's mostly made of plastic. It's fairly cheap. I think it's got 4-wheel drive. Yeah. Oh wow! Look at that. That's cool. It's quite heavy. Didn't expect it to be that heavy, but I suppose I'm used to aircraft. Most of this suspension is plastic. I'm not sure if that's normal. So, what's it like when you take this car outside? Well, put simply, this thing is really quite quick. The box says that it does 45 kilometers per hour, which is, it does seem to do. It seems to go that fast in straight lines. But for it going so fast, it's a shame that the steering isn't a bit better, because it's, put simply, it's quite awful. You have to be very careful, and the remote isn't exactly that precise. It's better on the tarmac. On a hard surface you can sort of whiz around, but sometimes it does get caught out. In terms of its appearance, I'm very pleased with how it looks. I mean, the lights, for instance, are quite a nice feature. In terms of reliability though, stuff kept falling off. This piece just came off. And then the rear shock buckled after a few crashes as well. The tyre also de-rimmed itself, which wasn't perfect. Oh, and also the car turns itself off all the time, which is, I'm not sure why it's doing that. I'm going to have a look at the electronics. So yeah, despite all these problems, it still remains an impressive vehicle for this sort of price range. What can this car actually do though when we take it out into the wild? Let's have a look.